How's it going, YouTube? And welcome to today's video. We are here at Twin Peaks via Sawmill Pond right outside of South Lake Tahoe. Now this trail is rated moderate, so there are a couple rock gardens. It should be pretty fun. It's a short trail. It's a 1.5 mile trail in and 1.5 mile out. As always, if you enjoy this video, please hit that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner. It really helps me out. We'll see you on the trail. The first real obstacle is a fairly steep and rocky climb. This section is a little bit challenging. However, there is a bypass to the left. You're rocking a set of 38s and Pro Rock 60s, you end up making it look like just another walk in the park. Those of us on 35s and 33s had to work a little harder. However, we were able to make it up with a little bit of persistence.
I've done it.
Yep, I know.
I've done it.
How'd you do?
A little comforting there. Not too bad, actually. I was waiting. Well, I saw the rock hit the step, and I'm like, I should put my rock here above.
The second rock garden has substantially larger rocks. After a little bit of deliberation, we decided that we would bypass this obstacle and live to wheel another day. This is a perfect example of where wheelbase can work for or against you. While the two-door has a better breakover angle and makes short work of rocky areas, the four-door really shines when it comes to hill climbs. Where the two-door struggles, the four-door excels. There. Come around, you're coming. Good, skid plate. Okay, so that was Twin Peaks via Sawmill Pond Road. The trail was really easy. There were two actual obstacles, two rock gardens. One of them wasn't too terrible. The second one, you might want to be on at least 37s, have lockers and some skid plates, especially if you're a four-door. There are bypasses for each of the obstacles, so you know, if you're not comfortable with it, you are able to go around. There's no issue there. If you're not going to take the rock gardens and you're just going to go take the bypasses, the trail would be, I would say that it's easy. There's nothing crazy about it. There are some great views up at the top, so if you're not in a super built Jeep, this is a trail that is good for y'all. You can get up to the top, no issues. And yeah, you can enjoy the views up there. You can look over the regional airport for South Lake Tahoe. You do see Lake Tahoe once you get up to the top. It is absolutely gorgeous. So if you're in the area, I would definitely recommend going and actually doing it. Until then, I hope to see you on the trail. And as always, if you like this video, please hit that subscribe button in the bottom right-hand corner.